we said below. Seen you're pretty. Soon as you came in that door, I just wanted you. Got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced him to my stove. Showed him how to whip and now we're remixing for love. Get my track in, let him hit the bando. We be counting up, watch our fucking bands go.
Good morning, what's happening, what's going on, how are you all guys? It's been a long time that I didn't vlog, and today I'm vlogging again. And check this out, where I am. It's been an epic journey over here. Yesterday we flew over here. Yesterday we came here by car. And yeah, we're having fun over here, and my gang is over there. And beautiful sunrise is over there. And then we'll spend time over here, then we'll be going back again today. So that's pretty much for today. Let's roll it and enjoy the view. Guys, check this out. Bernie is coming over here. He's getting afraid. There. Hi guys. Yeah, nice. Don't leave me alone, bro. Stupid. I'm drunken, bro. So guys, that's pretty much. We are leaving now. We'll have some photo shoot.
Tell the location over here.
This is which location, Dinesh?
Snehatram beach.
So yes guys, it's 3 hours from Coimbatore. This is the nearest beach. You can come and enjoy in the weekends and have fun over here. We have came to this athirapally falls, which is near from Thrissur, and it's like 2 to 3 hours from Coimbatore. I think 3 hours. Almost 3 hours. I mean guys, that is fabulous. Check this out. Falls. Huge amount of water is falling down. This is the one place from where we can enjoy the waterfall. And another place we have to go down over there. Guys, let's check the view from behind the trees, guys. It's looking fabulous, guys. Check this out. You see the view, guys, behind. It's amazing, guys. Fabulous, guys. It's amazing over here, and definitely we cannot describe in words. I highly recommend you to come here and check this out, guys. The water is falling in amazing. I think you can see my lens is going weird, guys. Again, yes. Recording. Next time, guys, I'm gonna definitely come here with proper stuff. Got full weight. I have now 4 to 5 hours I have to drive. I'll catch you again, guys, in the next video. I'll close down here. I'll definitely do soon again a vlog. Guys, watch for your people. Life, guys.